I came to shelter with you like you were the last hiding place left, while the rumbling world clattered down. You are my God. What other home do I have but where you are? What other family have I but yours? Those who sell themselves to other gods will find that sorrow billows all around them, steals in through the cracks, and settles in quiet corners. The Lord is my portion, my lot, the cup I drink to the dregs. The lines of my life lead here. It is enough. I am content. You teach me the way of life by walking it with me. You are always at hand, always before me, so even when I slip, I won't fall. And even when I fall, I rise. My old loves all return, like birds to eat from my hands. My gentleness, my quiet, the stillness I spent so long running from, settle around me in circles. You save me from every pitfall. You walk me in the path of life. I didn't know joy could run this full.